Namaste friends, I am really satisfied that you are responding very well to this YouTube channel. Some friends, then my well-wishers, my colleagues and professors requested me, sir, please try to use digital board. Frankly, I am informing you that is not possible to use digital board, but I will try to use here uh, my handwriting, visible handwriting. Okay, that's why today I have used very close camera to the board, but I really respect your suggestions. ज्या काही सूचना विनंती तुम्ही मला करताय, मी खूप आनंदी आहे, समाधानी आहे. काही जणांचं मत आहे की सर थोडंसं आम्हाला वी गेट डिफिकल्टी when I write the sentences or the examples, तर ह्या बोर्डवर थोडंसं दिसत नाही. समजू शकतो मी, आणि मला एक आपल्याला अशी विनंती करायची की when you watch this video, that time you must use full screen of your mobile. तुम्ही असं छोट्या ह्याच्यात किंवा त्या अर्ध्या ह्याच्यात डोंट ट्राय टू वॉच. मुळात तो कॅमेरा किंवा जी स्क्रीन आहे मोबाईलची ती छोटी, आणि त्यात व्हिडिओ आणखीन छोटा दिसायला लागतो. तर हा जो पूर्ण बोर्ड आहे तो खूप छोटा दिसेल. तर वेन यू ट्राय टू वॉच दिस व्हिडिओ, सो माय फ्रेंड्स, आय रिक्वेस्ट यू व्हेरी पोलाइटली, use your full screen. Means you may get my handwriting readable. मी तरीही हँडरायटिंग मोठे काढण्याचा प्रयत्न करतच असतो. अडचण माझी थोडीशी समजून घ्या की आय हॅव टू राईट कंप्लीट सेंटेन्स, अँड वेन आय ट्राय टू गेट सेंटेन्स, सो दॅट टाईम आय यूज इंटेन्शनली न्यू व्हर्ब्स अँड न्यू वर्ड्स इन दी सेंटेन्सेस. मग त्याचा परिणाम असा होतो की सेंटेन्स थोडंसं मोठं बनतं. तरी आता आज मी प्रयत्न केलेला आहे की खूप जवळ कॅमेरा घेतलेला आहे, अँड आय होप क्लिअरली यू कॅन वॉच वॉट एव्हर आय एम रायटिंग ऑन दी बोर्ड. तरी माझी एक विनंती अशी आहे की जेव्हाही तुम्ही ह्या जे काही मी शिकवलेले किंवा जे काही मी व्हिडिओज अपलोड केलेले आहेत ते मोबाईलच्या स्क्रीनवर फुल कसे दिसतील तसा मोड करूनच हे व्हिडिओज पाहत जा. म्हणजे तुम्हाला माझी हँडरायटिंगही कळेल. मी मोठीच काढत असतो तरी आणखीन मी थोडेसे मोठे काढण्याचा प्रयत्न करेल. काही मित्रांनी दे सजेस्टेड मी टू यूज डिफरंट कलर्स ऑफ मार्कर्स. तोही मी सल्ला नक्की अंमलात आणेल पुढील व्हिडिओजपासून, की वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे जर मार्कर्स वापरले तर बोर्डवर तुम्हाला आणखीन ती व्हिजिबल राहील. मी नक्की त्या सूचनांचा तुमचा वापर करणार आहे, अंमलात आणणार आहे. मला फार छान वाटलं की तुम्ही सर्वजण या सूचना मला देता. याचा अर्थ तुमची माझ्या प्रती असलेली जी बांधिलकी आहे ती दिसते, आणि मी नक्की आपल्या त्या सूचनांचा, सल्ल्यांचा विचार करेल, आणि नुसता विचार नाही तर त्या मी अंमलात पण आणणार आहे. ओके. तरी तुम्ही आता हे जे काही व्हिडिओज आहेत हे गरजू लोकांपर्यंत कसे जातील, त्यांच्यापर्यंत पोहोचवणं हा आपला उद्देश आहे. तुम्ही सर्वजण पाहता, यू ट्राय टू डेव्हलप युअर लँग्वेज, आय एम रिअली हॅपी. पण आपल्या समाजात असा काही वर्ग आहे की ज्यांना हे माहीत नाही, पण त्यांना ते गरजेचं आहे. माझी एक विनंती आहे की आपल्या हातून ते सत्कार्य व्हावं, की आपल्याला जो कोणी समाज बांधव आहे, आपला घटक आहे, तो त्याच्यापर्यंत ह्या सर्व मुद्द्यांची जर आपण पोच केली तर आपल्या या सर्व कष्टाला फळ आलं असं मला वाटेल. ओके, थँक्यू माय फ्रेंड्स. कम टू द पॉईंट. Today we are to finish past progressive tense or past continuous tense. Last sentence construction, interrogative negative means nakararthi prashna. Nakararthi prashna. Okay. Now I am writing rule. Look. Rule. Helping verbs was or were, then subject, after that not. First form of verb with ing form, then object I am writing here plus RPS, and don't forget to give question mark. This is rule of past continuous tense or past progressive tense. Okay, interrogative negative. So we have to use was were, means as per our subject, then not for negative sense, verb with ing form for getting progressive action or continuous action, object with the help of what and whom. Okay, then remaining part of sentence. This is the rule. Okay, now I am getting first sentence with the help of verb is ask. This verb you have to use in the sentence. Now look, I am writing sentence here. Look, I would like to say where police after subject not. Okay, then which verb we have to use? Ask, but which form? ing form. Asking, where police not asking, object, the same question, the same I am writing here. Okay, the same question again and again or repeatedly. Okay, where police not asking the same question again and again or repeatedly. One point I would like to explain here. I used here where police. You may think, sir, why should we not use was? Okay, but be conscious, it is collective noun. So that's why you may think, sir, we should use was. But friends, it is collective noun, but giving information about plural, more than one. That's why I used here where. But suppose instead of police, there was police constable. That is singular. Police officer. Police officer. That is singular. That's why I used here where. So you should use always where, or means this is subject and verb agreement. So if you use was, that is not blunder mistake, but avoid it. Okay. If there is a police officer, that time you must use only was. A police constable, only was, but it is collective noun giving information about more than one, right? Not asking the same question repeatedly or again and again. Okay, look, next verb you have to use, that is shoot. Fire, like this. Shoot. Yes, make your sentence with the help of shoot, and you have to use this rule. Now I would like to construct was. Praveen was, because I am using Praveen, singular now. Was Praveen not shooting Pramod without any reason? Was Praveen not shooting? Shoot is fire. Shooting Pramod without any reason. Without any reason. Okay. Next verb, draw. Draw. Yes, use this verb. Draw. And make your own sentence. Yes. For example, now I am using look. Where subject, who? Children. Where children not drawing. Where children not drawing pictures. Where children not drawing pictures. Draw. Okay. Next verb, fill. Fill. Yes. Look, I will help you. Where they, after subject, not, and which verb? Fill, but form ing. Where they not filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. You can use RPS. Carefully. Carefully. Okay. Where they not filling the blanks carefully. Fill. Okay. Next verb you have to use melt. Melt means another, again I am giving synonym. Melt. Look. Or smelt. Melt or smelt means getting into liquid position, from solid to liquid. 1 point, smelt is already third form of smell. Smelt is already third form of smell, and third form smelt. Smell first form and third form smelt, but here smelt is first form. Is it clear? Smell first form, third form smelt. So don't think, sir, this is third form of smell. No, my friend, it is first form. And what is the meaning smelt here? Melt. Okay. Use melt. Look, I am writing here. Was snow. After subject, not. You have to use this verb. Melting or smelting, but ing form. Look, melting or smelting. Melting. Is it visible? Can you read it? Okay. Smelting, oblique. I am writing here. Smelting due to sunlight. Due to heat, sunlight. Okay, no doubt. Heat you can use. Okay, if you cannot see it, I will write here. Look, due to sunlight or due to heat. Okay, don't forget to give question mark. Was snow not melting? I have written here smelting due to heat, due to high temperature. I have used common word sunlight, due to sunlight. Okay. Another verb you have to use, that is raid. Raid. Sudden attack, surprise visit, surprise attack. Okay, raid. Make sentence, raid. Look, where object, the officers or CBI officers where I am using more than one, okay, where the CBI officers or the officers not, this verb you have to use, raid, where the CBI officers not raiding the farmhouse of member of parliament, raiding the farmhouse of MP, member of parliament. Okay, raid you should use. Last verb I am giving, you have to make your own sentence. Design verb you have to use in your sentences. Okay, so I finished here. Which subkind? Past progressive tense. Past progressive tense. It was last sentence construction. Try to make sentences, use in your day-to-day life, and if you get any difficulty regarding subject, verb, object, was, where, because already I gave information in affirmative of past progressive tense, so you must refer if you get difficulty. Okay, and what is my motto? Use, speak with your friends, with your family members. It is not just to learn. Okay, I will stop here, my friends. Thank you.